Pete the Cat and the Tip-Top Treehouse by James Dean. Pete the cat has built a treehouse. He calls his friends. "I just built a treehouse," he says. "Come over to play." Pete's friends show up. "This is great," say his friends. "But it is a little small." "You are right," says Pete. "It is too small. I will fix that." Pete starts building a bigger treehouse. "Do you want some help?" asks Callie. "Sure," says Pete. Callie carries up more wood. "Can I help too?" asks Marty. "Sure," says Pete. Together they build a tower for Pete's treehouse. "Let's have a treehouse party," says Marty. "A party?" says Pete. "But what will everyone do?" Treehouse plans. "I can help with that," says Emma. "This is great," says Pete. "Let's do it." Pete, Marty, Callie, Emma, and Grumpy Toad get right to work. They build an arcade. They fill it with fun games. Big Banana, Space Cat, Alien Frogs. They build a bowling alley. It has 20 lanes. They build a wave pool. Pete can surf indoors. They build a movie theatre, now showing magic sunglasses, and a skate park, rock climbing, and a climbing wall, ice rink, and an ice rink. Pete's friends all come for the party. Pete takes one friend to the bowling alley. There you go. He takes one friend to the movie theatre. Don't forget popcorn. He takes one friend to the skate park. Pete lets one friend surf in the wave pool. "Is everyone here?" asks Pete. "Yeah, but we're all alone," his friends say. "We came to play with each other." "Oh," says Pete. "Everyone meet down at the jungle gym." Bowl, skate park, wave pool, rock climbing, ice rink, theatre, now showing magic sunglasses, video game. Everyone climbs down. "This treehouse is amazing," say his friends. "Thanks," says Pete. "I'm so glad it brought us all together." And that is the story of Pete the Cat and the Tip-Top Treehouse. Did you like that book? You can say, "I like that book. I like that book." Okay, well, that's all we've got time for. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye. Goodbye.